Reed Reese is the co-writer of Deadpool and Zombieland. In February 2026, he saw an AI-generated fight scene between Brad Pitt and Tom Cruise. He posted some words on social media. He said, "I hate to say it, but it is likely over for us." The tool that produced that scene is called Seedance 2.0, built by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. Disney sent a cease and desist. Paramount accused it of blatant infringement. 2 US senators wrote a formal letter demanding ByteDance shut it down completely. Today, what Seedance 2.0 actually is, what it can do for content creators right now, and why it is scaring Hollywood more than anything in a decade. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha by Mario, let us get into it. Seedance 2.0 is an AI video generator released by ByteDance in February 2026. What separates it from every other tool? 3 things. First, it generates video and audio at the same time. Every previous AI video tool was essentially a silent movie. You generated the visuals, then separately edit sound in another tool. Seedance generates the sound, dialogue, footsteps, background noise, whether simultaneously with the visuals from the same underlying process. When a car crashes on screen, the sound hits at the exact frame of impact. Not added later, born together. Second, it maintains character consistency across an entire video. The biggest problem with AI video before Seedance was that characters changed appearances between shots. Same person, different face, 3 seconds in Seedance 2.0 locks in a face, an outfit, a style, and holds it throughout. Number 3, it accepts reference inputs. Upload a photo of yourself, it generates a video with your face. Upload a reference clip showing a camera movement, it replicates it exactly. Upload a brand color palette, it maintains it throughout the video. For content creators, the practical implications are significant. Take a product photo and animate it into a professional 8-second commercial. Under $1, generate a full Instagram reel or TikTok from a text description in under 2 minutes. Upload a reference viral video and create your own version. Same camera style, same energy, your own content. Build a consistent character. Same face, same voice, same style. And use it across dozens of videos without ever appearing on camera yourself. A traditional production costs between $1,000 to $50,000 per minute of finished content. Seedance generates an 8-second commercial quality clip for under $1. The economics of video content just broke. The controversy is not about product demos, it is about what happens when this technology meets Hollywood IP. Within days of launch, clips went viral. Friends characters reimagined as others. A fight between Brad Pitt and Tom Cruise. Will Smith battling a red-eyed spaghetti monster. The Motion Picture Association issued a formal denunciation. Disney sent a cease and desist. Paramount accused it of blatant infringement of Star Trek, South Park, and Dora the Explorer. 2 US senators formally demanded ByteDance shut it down entirely. ByteDance responded that it respects intellectual property rights and would strengthen safeguards. The deeper issue, which Reed Reese understood immediately, is not the copyright cases. It is what the technology makes possible. One person, a computer, no studio, no actors, no budget. A movie indistinguishable from a Hollywood production. That is not a prediction. It is a current capability. Seedance 2.0. AI video and audio generated simultaneously. Character consistency. Reference-based creation. Under $1 per clip. Hollywood is scared. senators want it shut down, Disney sent lawyers, and the Deadpool screenwriter said it is likely over for them. Whether that is true or not, the tools are available to content creators in 2026. What would you make first if you had access to this tool? Drop it in the comments. I read every single comment. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.